Hello everyone, thank you for watching this video. This is Manu and I am going to show you how to connect MQ2 with Arduino. I have successfully elaborated all the step-by-step procedure in this video. So let's start. Today our required element is At first, I discuss about MQ2 sensor. This is MQ2 sensor. Here is 4 pin. A0 means analog output pin, D0 means digital output pin, and ground VCC. So connection is VCC always connect with 5 volt of Arduino, ground connect with ground of Arduino, and A0 means analog grid connect with any analog pin of Arduino. So now I am doing connection. We will measure from this sensor 3 gases: LPG gas, carbon monoxide, and smoke. At first I place this sensor in breadboard. Now connection is and connection is done. Now I connect USB port with Arduino. Now I am going to go. At first I open the Arduino software. Then this is our code. At first we need the MQ2 library. So please check the description for library link and code. Now I am uploading this code. At first I select the code. Then upload. Need save for this code. Yes, done uploading. Now I open the monitor. Here we see some value. Your LPG 21 ppm, carbon monoxide 290, the carbon monoxide 210 ppm, and smoke 100 ppm. If we provide here some gas, here we see LPG is increase, carbon monoxide is increase, and smoke are increase also. So this is our value. Now I show you how can we install the library function in our Arduino software. At first we download the library from Google. Please check the description, there has a link for library. Then you go to sketch, then into library, add zip library. Already I have MQ2 sensor library. Now only a library already exists. So no more today. Welcome back to watch the next video. Thank you very much.